Welcome to the downtown area of Qingdao City. This is a very beautiful place. I've already showed you guys the beer museum. I've showed you guys like the golden beach. You know what I'm saying, bro? So right now we're in the downtown area. This place is called Wusi Square. Okay, it has a very big history here of the country. Now, after seeing this beautiful square, let me show you guys one of the most beautiful, basically like coastlines, or you can say like, you know, ports in China. We are in Qingdao. Get what I'm saying? So we have a beautiful square there. We have a nice and beautiful sea water place here. Nice and beautiful. I want to go right to the other part of this place. So basically this square is in the downtown area of the city. I want to show you guys some of the buildings here. So at night, all of these buildings light up. I think most of you have already seen, like in many TikTok videos and like YouTube videos, right? You see many people posting Qingdao, like the lighting buildings. So basically, these are the ones. All right. Actually, today is just because we're like in the winter, right? But normally there are so many people here. Thousands, basically tens of thousands of people. 你好。不要，谢谢。不要，没事。So basically, like these guys take pictures of you. Like if you want to take some nice, memorable pictures by the lake or maybe by the Wusi Square. Basically, that's like their job. They actually make a pretty good amount of money, and their pictures are always pretty cool. So yeah. Mostly like older people, they meet like in the early mornings or afternoons and basically take some videos, and you know, they dance. It's kind of like for exercising and everything. Good. So we're gonna go somewhere there and I'll show you guys like the dock for the boats and like the big ships and everything. And now one other thing, right? You can actually get a boat from Qingdao to other port cities like Yantai, Weihai, yeah, very many other cities. So basically, you don't even have to always get like the trains or the airport. You get what I'm saying? Ni hao. Yo. Yeah, that's really cool, man. That's really cool. Oh wow, that's the drone. Okay. All right, so guys, let me go and show you guys the port and like the bay and every other thing, okay? Wow, look at the sunset. Wow, look at the sunset, man. I'm just going down. I hope I don't fall. Good. So we have like some buckets and small spades. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. This is so beautiful. Like the bars and everything. Look at this. This is so beautiful, man. Qingdao is just a... Wow, look. This is so beautiful. I think the sunset is gonna be really crazy. The sunset's gonna be really crazy and so cool. So you just throw like bread and they come closer to like eat and everything. So the port is just right there. Wow. So we're just from seeing the nice birds, and basically there's another structure here. We're just gonna walk around and then go and see the boats. But on the way here, just because it's like winter, right? But in the summer, there's so many people selling like souvenirs and other different stuff. Like we have these like labubu. What are these? Labubu kind of like dolls and stuff. What is this here? It's kind of like dragon toys and pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Okay, there are many like fridge magnets and all that kind of stuff. And the shells. Also the shells. Wow, pretty cool. 你好. 这多少钱？
5元一个10元3个。
So it's like 5 RMB for one and 10 RMB for 3 of them. Whoa! There's like a, what is it? An Olympic, is it Olympic what? Like Olympic place, because there's like an Olympic logo right there. So I'm not sure what it is, but maybe they played the Olympic Games here sometime. I don't know, but definitely. So it's just so cool. Right there you guys can see like the houses and stuff. That's in the downtown area of the city. You guys should come here in the summer. It's crazy. So crazy in the summer, like so cool. And because this place is so big, right? You guys can see these small cars. Not like a small car like this. It looks like a train, kind of, right? These take you to, they help you to get to like the far places of this square very quickly. Because the place is so big. It's so big. It's like a national tourist attraction. So if you want the exact location of this other place, it's called the Qingdao. Okay, now I get why there's like an Olympic logo there. So that's the Qingdao Olympic Sailing and Marine Culture Tourist Area. From like the Ministry of Culture and Tourism here. So pretty cool. All these places in the summer, like all these places in the summer are packed, like packed with so many, like so many people. People just like buying foods here, going to the port. If you're going to other cities, you can also get like your boat from here. If you just even want to go around, like sailing, surfing, and all these other kind of sports, you can see those other houses there. There's like food courts and many places for like eating and stuff. Yeah. And so for example, this boat, I'm not sure if we can buy the tickets because we don't have enough time, but let me see. This is called CC. Yeah. This is a boat, but basically it's just going around, and these people are not going like very far. It's just like for tourism. Let me see how much it is. 你好，这多少钱去旅游？卖票的前面啊，买票。你好，我要问一下，这买票是多少钱？
咱们是一共几个人？
两个人，对。
如果没有的话，咱们这个价格就是176两。
176是两个人。
对，两个人。
啊 ，OK。
对。
是多少时间
？50分钟。
50分钟。啊 ，OK。他们会来这边吗？
会。
OK。
最终还是会回来。
啊 ，OK。好的，没事。Alright, so basically that's like 176 RMB for 2 people to go in that boat for 50 minutes. 50 minutes is, I think it's enough time to like go around and see like the whole area and stuff, right? Yeah. And oh, I want to show you guys something. So like on this whole area, right? In many places in Qingdao, they have so many places with like taps and different kinds of like beer. So these are like different flavors, different kinds of like vaults and all that kind of stuff. This is pretty cool. So this is like 19 RMB per like maybe like 500 milliliters. And all of these are just different flavors like grapes, we have strawberry, we have passion, and you're gonna meet same places all over Qingdao. So let me go and show you guys where the boats are. So now we're at the 2008 Olympic kind of like memorial here in Qingdao. And right here you can see the boat. The same boat I was telling you guys that people pay 176 RMB for 2 people to basically go on the boats and just go around for like 50 minutes. that right there is the downtown area of Qingdao City. This is a really beautiful place. And here on this side, we can see the Olympic logo. And far down on that side, there's a lighthouse that basically helps to control the traffic in here, in the sea. You get what I'm saying? During the winter, this place is crazy because there's so many people here that are like surfing and like so many things, right? Actually, now like I'm using my friend's phone as the microphone because my phone has a problem and like there's a power bank charged to it. Now, this is one of the beautiful places here in Qingdao, and I want to show you guys the boats. This whole place is just full with like boats, yachts, and like, you know, people's, you know what I'm saying, like luxury yachts that you can actually rent per hour, per day, per month, you know what I'm saying? So this whole place, just going down here, it's a little bit windy, but basically we're coming to the end of our video. So this is where people enter from. There's so many boats, and you can see they still use like diesel and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so guys, thanks for sticking around and thanks for watching this video. I just wanted to show you guys like some parts of Qingdao, and I think tomorrow I'm also going to look for some other cool and nice parts of the city. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the other places. If you ever come to Qingdao, come and visit. Ciao.